Okay, I've got this unit with no lid, and I've just connected up the terminals. I've got it sitting in 4 grams of potassium hydroxide. With 4 grams in a small unit like this, it tends to draw an awful lot of amps, so I can't really tell. I burnt my amp meter out before, so I can only tell my volts, so I'm not going to be running it too long. Again, I'm wearing safety glasses. Right, so bomber on. I'll just have a wee look at what's happening. Produces straight away. I mean, they're very fine bubbles that come off this. They do fill the entire unit. We've got 4 grams of potassium in there, and it's 1.5 litres of water, just plain tap water. And you can hear it and see it bubbling away. And there is that convection going on again. Can you see it drawn back into the centre? It's fairly visible. I mean, I'm aware some guys are having problems with foaming here in their units, so I've got an idea how to stop the foaming, or resolve the idea or the problem with foam going up and into your bubblers and things. I'm just waiting on some stuff coming, and I'll show you what I think might resolve the issue. Can you see that going in there? I find that quite fascinating. It's definitely convection back in. And there's no heat in this. I mean, if I put my we're looking at ambient temperature, 27 degrees centigrade, that is. It's not Fahrenheit, it's centigrade, which is basically cold water. It's just ambient, it's room temperature. It dissipates quite quickly. I wonder if it's the dimensions of the chamber that's making it convect into the centre here. Could well be. One thing I do know is when I de-ignite this with this chamber, I wish I had a decibel meter, because it literally blows the ears off you, even outside. One of my neighbours was standing watching me doing it the other day, and I said, well, wait now and I'll explode some for you. Man, the guy walked away with his ears ringing. My ears were ringing as well, and I had earmuffs in. I think most people are quite surprised when it actually explodes, and it comes off at quite a volume like that. You see, it doesn't take 2 minutes, but it's away doing the same again. I'm not quite sure what's happening there or why it's doing it. Maybe it's the constricted space between the side walls and the plates that the bubbles are being drawn back in. And if you notice, they've been drawn in and down. And if you look really closely there, you can see the bubbles coming off the bottom. These have been drawn in for the side, both sides, and down into the centre. There's a definite pattern going like that. It's a definite pattern to it. It's sort of coming like this. and going in behind the black dot here, it's going in somewhere about there. Can you see it? And it's been drawn for almost the surface, this first corner and this corner here, right down. The bulbs coming up are taking a definite pattern over to either side as well. This is my negative and this is my positive. There's a definite movement going on. Turn this off before I burn this unit out, because I'm pretty sure I'm drawing more amps than I should out yet. Anyway,